To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, this is Harsha Sharma and a very warm welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Let us begin with our first story. India is carrying out the world's largest vaccination campaign against the coronavirus. This campaign was launched across the country on 16 January 2021. Vaccination of frontline personnel started from 2nd February 2021 and now a new phase of vaccination has started from 1st March. In this phase of vaccination, COVID-19 vaccines are being given to people above 60 years of age and unwell people aged 45 years and above. Many ministers and celebrities, including the President, Vice President and Prime Minister have also got vaccinated at this stage. Many personalities have also shared the photograph of getting vaccinated on social media and appealed to the people to get vaccinated as soon as possible. In this phase of vaccination, vaccines are being given free of cost in government institutions and on payment basis in private health facilities. Private hospitals cannot charge more than 250 rupees for vaccines as this rate is fixed by the central government. If a person wishes to get vaccinated, they will have to register themselves on Covaxin website, which is www.covaxin.gov.in. They can also register themselves on the Covaxin website through Arogya Setu app or by going to the nearest vaccination center. Moving on to the next story, the phase 3 clinical trial results of Covaxin are out now and Covaxin has shown interim efficacy of 81%. With these results, all the doubts and confusions around the indigenous COVID-19 vaccine have now been put to rest. Earlier in January, Covaxin was given emergency use authorization for use along with Serum Institute of India's Covishield. As the phase 3 clinical trials of Covaxin were still ongoing, the vaccine was approved in a clinical trial mode. Covaxin was granted emergency use approval specifically in the context of infection by COVID-19 mutant strains. The phase 3 clinical trial of Covaxin started in mid-November last year and was conducted on 25,800 individuals across 21 sites in India. The results of the clinical trial were analyzed as per the protocol approved by DCGI and it showed that Covaxin has an efficacy of 81%. The journey of development of Covaxin began in March 2020 when ICMR's Pune-based National Institute of Virology successfully isolated the COVID-19 virus and passed it to Bharat Biotech to make a whole virulent COVID-19 vaccine. Preclinical studies in small animals and hamsters showed promising results in terms of safety and immunogenicity. Further studies conducted in rhesus macaques also replicated these results. Phase 1 and Phase 2 clinical trials conducted in 755 participants also demonstrated a high safety profile of the candidate vaccine. This indigenous COVID-19 vaccine has been developed jointly by ICMR and Bharat Biotech and is an excellent example of public-private partnership. Moving further, while vaccines are here, the researchers haven't shunned the hunt for an effective drug against COVID-19 infection. Recently, the researchers from the Texas A&M University in College Station have published a research which shows that bepridil, a drug better known to treat angina, can be helpful to treat COVID-19 infected as well. Bepridil is an FDA-approved drug and if it is found effective in further studies, the regulatory issues in its approval for use will be less. The researchers first selected 30 FDA-approved drug candidates based on the computational docking analysis. These 30 drug candidates were then tested against the COVID-19 virus in the African green monkey cells and human cells in laboratory conditions. The results showed that administration of a high dose of bepridil slows down the virus replication in cells. Based on these results, researchers suggest performing further clinical studies to check its efficacy for use as a drug against COVID-19 virus. Well, that's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Take care.